Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Sienna, 1998 to 2003? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in Toyota Sienna, 1998 to 2000, protects circuits related to interior lighting, power windows, audio system, and keyless entry. It helps manage essential cabin functions and driver convenience features. The passenger compartment fuse box in Toyota Sienna, 2001 to 2003, controls circuits for power windows, door locks, interior lights, and the audio system. It ensures safe distribution of electrical power to various in-cabin features. Engine compartment fuse box. Engine compartment fuse box number 1 in Toyota Sienna, 1998 to 2000, manages circuits for the ignition system, EFI, ABS, and cooling fans. Engine compartment fuse box number 2 in Toyota Sienna, 1998 to 2000, supports circuits for headlights, AC system, horn, and other auxiliary components. Engine compartment fuse box number 1 in Toyota Sienna, 2001 to 2003, controls power to the ignition system, fuel system, ABS, and engine cooling fans. It safeguards essential systems required for engine operation and vehicle stability. Engine compartment fuse box number 2 in Toyota Sienna, 2001 to 2003, handles circuits for headlights, AC compressor, and other auxiliary systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.